Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn if your Windows 11 PC is also slow on startup. So how to fix this irritating issue. Now in this video I'm going to show you. Let's see. So I'm going to show you some basic method to fix this problem. So let's get started. So first method is this guys. You need to open the control panel on your PC. Okay, like this. In the control panel, go to power options like this. Okay, and from the left panel you need to open, choose what the power button do. Just click on it and click on change setting that are currently unavailable. From here you need to select turn on fast startup. Just check this box and then click on save changes. Okay, this is the first basic method. And second is this guys, hold control key, shift key button and then press escape from your keyboard. This is the shortcut key to open the task manager. In the task manager, go to startup tab and you need to disable this all startup application on your PC. Okay, right click on it and select disable. Okay, like this. After doing this guys, close the task manager. Now you need to open your web browser. So in my PC I am using Google Chrome browser. Just open it, click on three dots, go to settings. In the settings you need to disable the all website running in the background. From the settings, from the left panel, go to system. Here you can get the option continue running background app when Google Chrome is closed. Just you need to disable this option. It will consume more memory, more RAM of your PC. Just simply disable it and close your Chrome browser, and it will helps you to fast startup for your Windows 11. So one more basic method is this guys. Now you need to scan your Windows 11 PC completely. So if you are using any third-party antivirus on your PC, just you need to remove or uninstall it from your PC. It will cause the slow startup of your Windows 11. To scan your PC, go to Windows settings, go to privacy and security like this and go to Windows security option. From here you can easily able to scan your Windows 11 PC. Okay, just click on virus and threat protection and select the scanning process from here and start the scanning. It will completely scan your Windows 11. After scanning, it will helps you to fast your startup. Okay, basic method is this guys. Press Windows key button and here you need to search command prompt. Right click on the command prompt and open in administrator mode like this. And here you need to search one command, sfc space /scan now like this. You need to search and then hit enter. It will start the scanning process. Okay, after the scanning process was completed, close the command prompt and empty your recycle bin. Right click on your recycle bin and then click on empty recycle bin. It will clear the recycle bin. Okay, after doing this guys, restart your PC and check the startup process. It will increase the startup time of your Windows 11. See, in case you are facing same type of problem, if you are using hard disk, just move to SSD. SSD will helps you to fast your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.